Just got the prismatic lighting system from Amazon. This is what it looks like. Wrapping stuff is what it looks like. This is my fish. She's got a cone on. Say hello, fish. This is my Zoe. She does not have a cone on. Hey. Got it. This is with natural window lighting, by the way.
In action.
Welcome to my... I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the iPad Pro 12.9 inch. I didn't do any research on this thing, but Bailey did, so we'll refer to him during the video.
Why did you get it?
I got it because my laptop is dying and I needed something to replace it. So we're starting to unbox it. As you can see, it's this beautiful, wow. We're gonna take off this nice clear plastic and get going, guys. Trash man.
I'm not a trash man.
Yeah, trash man. So I'm slightly taking the box off. I just want to do it nice and easy. Wow, look at that, guys. I don't really know what tech people do, but let's see, make sure I'm not missing anything in the box. And I was underneath a little compartment. A little compartment was the charger, which that's pretty fun. I've never had a charger that has those prongs inside of it.
USB-C.
That's not a USB. Cool. I have had a charger like that before. You gonna come in?
No.
Why not?
I'm just gonna hang out on the sidelines.
Okay. Okay. Bailey's annoyed.
So why do you think Bailey's annoyed?
Because I'm taking forever to open it and get started. I actually just ordered a pair of those New Balances. Can't wait for them to come in. But I'm opening up this sliver on it. I got the space gray color. Here we go. Look at that beauty. This is the iPad. Obviously you can tell it's very huge. I am using my MacBook Pro currently, and it's a 13 inch.
13 inch, 2015.
2015 13 inch.
How that make you feel?
Suede-y. Get it? Because New Balance is suede. This is an Apple review, not a New Balance review.
I mean, could change that.
I'm pressing down on the home button. That's not the home button. Home button's on top. Does my iPhone have the home button?
It's on the side.
Huge difference between the iPhone and the iPad Pro is that the home button's on top, everybody. So let's get this on. There we go. Oh, hello. Wow, this is beautiful. It feels like I have an iPad in my hand. Okay, I'm gonna guess that said ni hao because hashtag dual language. And now it's asking me if I want to set up manually, so I probably shouldn't. Sir, I'm talking to you. He got one too, by the way. I'll show him so he can see. He got one too, and it's currently software updating. Should I not do that then if I'm doing this?
No, you have to do it. She
Well,
copied
we'll
me.
be back then.
I just wanted to get the iPad for work, and then she's a copycat, like the iPad and the New Balance.
Mine are in the mail. You guys want to see what our Wi-Fi name is? It's called the fish tank.
Why is it called a fish tank?
Because our dog's name is Fish. Actually also got the iPad pencil. That's not cool.
What?
I got the iPad pencil. Let me make sure I can zoom in on this.
The Apple Pencil, you mean?
What did I say?
iPad Pencil.
Well, do people use it on their phones?
Apple Pencil.
iPad pencil. as we're letting this download, ready, just make sure they have their Apple ID ready. Delete it out, Bailey.
Just took forever, it's gonna update.
Okay. Keep you guys.
Zoe! Oh no, that's a shit on my floor. That's a shit on my floor. Zoe, come here. Come on, Zoe.
We should have listened to the wine. That was our fault. Oh, it's starting to stink in here. Okay, guys, so mine got done quicker than Bailey's.
Well, mine's not done yet.
It's okay though. Yuck. I was talking about the iPencil. Is that right?
Apple Pencil!
When I got interrupted. I don't remember if that was the poop.
Shit.
No, because I was talking about something else. So we've got the pencil. We have the iPad. And we're going to look around. It's not connected. How do you connect a pencil? And then what?
All the way on the journey.
That looks pretty on the way to me.
Okay.
This is the Apple connection to the pencil. It says welcome to Apple Pencil. What?
Huh?
And I've never had an iPad before, so this is a completely new experience for me. I've barely even used Bailey's iPad. He has the
10.5.
the 10.5
2017.
2017, just like the regular little,
No, it's an iPad Pro.
the regular little. I can see you. I like don't smell completely. Completely. I have two pencils. I don't have anything on this Apple iPad right now. So let's take a look at the apps we've got. So the apps that come on it are FaceTime, calendar, photos, camera, contacts, clock, maps, home, notes, reminders, stocks, news, TV, iTunes Store, App Store, books, settings. I'm not quite sure what home is. I believe that's if you have like the Apple Home Care system where you turn lights on and off in your house.
I guess, yeah, sure.
I'm gonna guess that, guys. Next page is the tips, podcast, find iPhone, find friends, photo booth, Tomorrow's Measure, App Store, clips, GarageBand, Keynote, numbers, pages, iMovie, iTunes, you. Bailey just said that he's thinking about getting the smaller one because he is used to the 10.5-inch iPad and he just jumped up to the 12.9. Now, I low-key don't blame him because it is hard to hold in one hand. But I've never had an iPad, so I feel like I could get used to this pretty easily. And I feel like a lot of the time I'm not going to be sitting here with it in my hand like this. I feel like a lot of the time I'll be at my desk or in class or I don't know. So let's see. I wanted to download some of those drawing apps, which hopefully maybe I'll do a future video where I show you the kind of apps and what I've been using on the iPad. But right now I just need to kind of get a feel for what the iPad is like. Like I said before, I've never had an iPad, so this is very new to me. But it's beautiful. It's huge, as you can tell. I need to get used to this by myself. I don't think it'd be worth your time for me to go over everything. I mean, what's kind of nice is you have this side view, and I'm really excited to get a keyboard possibly and then be able to do my typing. But yeah, I'm gonna play around with this. I'll probably show you guys a little bit more once I get a hang of it. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'm super excited. This was a super impulse decision we made. Bailey's done a lot of research on his decision to get it, and I trust a lot of his opinions when it comes to tech. And he's been trying to get me to get one for a while now because, like I said, my laptop is so slow. It's just not practical anymore, especially for when trying to upload videos. It's getting really slow. And I actually lost some of my content from my last video because there just wasn't enough gigabyte storage on it. I forgot to mention, this is the 256 gigabyte.
That looks amazing.
I have us on ours. I have us.
Oh, business. Yeah, book me. Help me pay for my iPad. Thanks.
I'm in it.
I'm in it.
I'm in it.
Apple chopsticks. Me.
So like, subscribe, comment.
Comment, like, subscribe.
Talk to you guys later. Bye.